You go in there, you eat this old trash meat and stuff today. Yeah, it ain't gonna affect you right now today. But you keep on doing it. Keep on doing it though. Just keep on doing it. And down the line is when it's gonna show up. Okay? What we talking about now is preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance. We want to be proactive, not reactive. I don't want to wait till my Johnson can't get up no more. Then I'm going to try to fast. Now I want to fast now. I know I can't get hard when I want to. My Johnson ain't working right when it's supposed to. Now I'm scared. Now I'm worried. Now as a man, I'm concerned. Now I want to go do all this research. I want to go find out what it is, what's good for this, what's good for this, what's gonna help me. See, you reactive. Alright, you reactive. No, we want to be proactive. We want to beat it to the punch. We already there. Alright, we already there. We on our herbs, we on our fruit. So when erectile dysfunction try to come, we like, no sir, buddy. No sir, I'm gonna stand up.